Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on July 22nd launched a sharp attack on the centre over the NEET paper leak, accusing the Modi government of destroying India's education system. He said the Congress fully supports the protesting students and called their demands, including the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, legitimate and non-negotiable. Addressing a press conference, Gandhi said the students were not terrorists but were peacefully demanding a fair and transparent education system. Referring to the police action during the July 20th Sansad Chalo protest, he questioned why students were allegedly beaten and tear-gassed for raising their concerns. Gandhi claimed the country's education system had become rigged and said there had been 152 paper leaks in the last decade, with zero convictions so far. He alleged that nearly 7.5 crore students had been affected and claimed Indian families spend around 1.32 lakh crore rupees every year on examinations, almost equal to the centre's 1.4 lakh crore rupees education budget. He further alleged that students were being denied opportunities after completing their education, saying jobs in manufacturing, the corporate sector, and the public sector had shrunk, leaving government jobs as the only option. Demanding accountability, Gandhi said Dharmendra Pradhan should step down. Those responsible for the alleged assault on students should be held accountable, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi should apologize to students. His remarks came a day after Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and several opposition leaders were detained by Delhi police during a protest outside the Prime Minister's residence. Gandhi later said the sit-in was held after it became clear that the government was unwilling to schedule a discussion on the students' issue.
Why our youngsters are outside? But there's a more fundamental reason. And that reason is this: that even after you have an education, you become a doctor, you become a lawyer, you learn something, you're suddenly told that the doors that should be open to you, what your country and your government owes you, a livelihood, a job, is closed. So, manufacturing is closed. Look around you, you'll see there are only Chinese products. Entrepreneurship is closed. Take a look at who gets the money from the banks. 2 or 3 large companies get all the money from the banks. So a young person who wants to be an entrepreneur cannot. Corporate job, AI is destroying it. The IT sector, public sector has been privatized. So what is the choice? The only choice they have is a sarkari job. So you give them one door, you close all the doors, then you rig that system and make it unbelievably expensive. And then you expect they won't be outside. Which world are you living in? So we are 100% in agreement with what every single student is feeling, what every single student is doing. And there must be some consequences to what has been done some days ago. It is not their fault. And so they have some demands. What are their demands? The first demand, completely legitimate demand, is that Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, who has failed as an education minister, who is known to be corrupt, should be relieved of his duties. 100% legitimate demand, nothing wrong with it. He has shown India and the world that he is incapable of running this system. Exam leaks are happening one after the other. So this is a completely legitimate demand. Second demand, every single person who raised a finger on our students, and it doesn't matter who he is, the people who ordered it and the people who executed it should be made accountable. And the third thing is that the man who is running this entire system, the man who is finally accountable to all this, should have the decency to apologize to the students for what has happened. These are not complicated things, these are not difficult things. This gentleman, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, has literally destroyed India's biggest asset.